to all. Here's your Gursima Preet Kaur from your own show, Gursima's Gupshup. Yes, we have the volunteers from an NGO, Shakti Shiksha. So the young girls, very warm welcome to you. And I could see the t-shirt that you're wearing, Shakti Shiksha.
Yes, ma'am.
So very warm welcome to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So now these beautiful girls will introduce themselves to you so that we can begin our conversation. Over to you, please.
Hello everyone, my name is Kripa Malhotra and I'm the founder of my community service organization Shakti Shiksha.
Okay.
Hi everyone, I'm Swastika and I'm the co-founder of Shakti Shiksha.
So you're at such a young age, you thought of, starting with your NGO, with your group of social service. First of all, may I know you're in which grade?
We both are in 11th grade.
In 11th grade. You
Yes.
can't imagine that such young girls, school-going kids. I will not say kids because they will feel bad. So young girls, okay. So how come the thought came that you would like to start with your own organization?
Ma'am, firstly, growing up, we all had that seed in our mind that we are, just normalizing all the alarming problems of a society.
Right.
So that thing just eventually grew up and just led to our organization Shakti Shiksha. And for the team members, we all had our best friends. So yes.
How many team members are there in your group?
Ma'am, 7.
7
Yes,
members.
ma'am.
So
And we are
from same
eventually no, ma'am. Actually, I shifted my school, but mostly are from Springdales.
Springdales.
Yes, I'm from Invictus.
you're from Invictus, but initially when you started, you were from
Yes,
Springdales.
yes, I'm
Yes.
from Springdales.
So that's nice. I really appreciate that our educational hubs, our good schools are inculcating the positive,
Energy.
ethics
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
students so that they think of starting with an NGO and doing work. Okay. So now let us know something about your NGO. What is all about?
Ma'am, see, there is a huge problem in our society that our Indian education system is just confined towards ratification and NCRT. It actually doesn't make you that, job ready. It provides you zero skills. So
Okay.
yes, on this motive, we just want to educate our youth, and we believe in education that empowers.
Right.
Yes.
So
And also, जैसे we are in 11th grade. We know all the science, maths and things.
they believe they know
on-
everything. They are smart girls. Okay.
But जो अपनी growth पे work है, वो हमें खुद ही करना पड़ता है.
That's
Yes,
something
ma'am.
very true.
The
This
skill
statement I agree.
enhancement.
I wholly agree to this statement. That's fine.
And we get all the facilities of doing the same. But the children which do not get the facilities, the
Right.
resources for working for themselves, they just have a fixed vision कि उनको बस पैसे कमाने हैं. They do not initially focus on self growth. We make them aware of that thing,
Right.
and also we prepare them for this.
Yes, ma'am. We
That's-
basically manage the social well-being of our youth and unprivileged organizations.
Okay. So, what was your first project when you started with this organization?
The first project was with you, with Mission
With
League.
NGO Mission.
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
grateful that these youngsters, they considered my NGO and the work such a humble work that it
Yes,
is good enough they can come. I'm happy that my NGO provided you a
Yes,
right
ma'am,
platform.
It really did.
So let's our audience also come to know what exactly you did at that time.
So we had a personal security campaign, and we firstly held self-defense workshop.
I
Then
still
we-
remember my girls
Yes.
were, my NGO girls were, they were so excited. And they could realize that yes, they can also work for their own
Yes,
self-defense.
ma'am. We could see that shine in their eyes.
Right,
Yes,
because
ma'am.
Kripa, I feel that whenever you go out at night, your parents, your every elders will say, भाई को साथ लेकर जाओ, किसी को
Yes,
साथ लेकर जाओ.
Yes.
It's always there. You don't go alone because they always feel that मतलब girls are not that equivalent to fight if in case some odd circumstances
Yes,
are there.
And also this is not their fault. Somewhere ये society की भी गलती
हाँ जी
है.
हाँ जी बिल्कुल.
Yes,
This is from
they
the
don't-
generations, yeah. It's like this. Even if I'll go out, my parents will be again concerned
ma'am.
कि go by car, take someone along. So it's there. It's
Yes,
there.
and these days we are actually blaming this thing on the conservative mindset of our parents, which is totally wrong. I mean,
Right.
एक parent अपने बच्चे को ऐसे बाहर क्यों भेज
क्यों
सकता है?
भेजेगा?
कैसे भेज सकता
कैसे
है?
भेज
जब
सकता है? But when you know कि that the environment is not that
Yes.
fine, when it at every step you feel you are hearing so many news in
Yes,
all the news channels. हर एक दूसरे दिन you will get some incident
Yes,
which
ma'am.
is
Especially
very
the Kolkata case
हाँ,
that
so
happened.
it is really very very embarrassing situation for all of our Indians that whatever we are facing at this
Yes,
time.
ma'am. And then we also educated them regarding peer pressure, then how to
Bullying.
protect yourselves from getting bullied, because this is the one of the most alarming problems these days in
Amongst the
schools.
youngsters in
Yes,
schools. So
yes.
bullying is something कि yes they feel कि अगर कोई नया student आया है so they will pursue with the bullying.
Yes, they actually degrade them in the most
Have you-
efficient way possible.
I just want ki any experience in concrete form that you had regarding bullying in your campus or that you've seen, how you have come across or come out of it.
Yes.
Actually, she was shifted. She shifted in Invictus a year ago.
Okay.
So नया स्कूल है, नए बच्चे कोई जानता नहीं है. So
Yes,
अभी
I
भी
kind
she
of faced some
अभी
problem,
भी, like,
but yes,
it's
I
been
have
half
moved
year,
on
6
from
or
it.
7
Acha,
months. अभी भी
still.
she face.
No, not now. I'm
No, but
okay
I just
now.
want to know whatever she's saying. So it was, I really want to talk about it, what
Yes, ma'am,
all that your
obviously
experience
that
was.
was a very tough situation for me.
Was
but
it?
Yes, it was.
Okay.
But now it's all
Now
okay.
see, it's of course because now it's been time that you are in the same
Yes,
campus, so
ma'am.
it will be everything will be okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But when the starting was it, so what you feel? What are the challenges that you had to face, or in general, what are the challenges that a person will face? Maybe a girl or a boy.
Ma'am, actually, when you go in some other organization or any kind of new place, people
Right.
degrade you. People degrade you a lot. They have
And it's
that
more with the
instinct.
youngsters, I feel.
Yes, ma'am. It is
Youngsters
more.
will do with the youngsters. That's something why our society is being, spoiled.
People are just indulged, in some kind of rat race कि मेरे को आगे निकलना है and I can do anything for that.
Right.
So yes, I was just involved in that kind of mess. But yes, I am really good now.
That's fine. So, do you think that when you face all these things, is that the school authorities also support you some way, or there are certain things that it makes you to help you out, or come out of the situation?
Ma'am, firstly, it's like that you have to help yourself. God
Yes,
helps those who help themselves.
Very true.
So you have to adapt yourself. You have to be more stronger and handle the situations. I mean, yes, you can tell your parents, and maybe the school authorities can help you. But
then
what if-
ultimately the things lie upon your shoulders.
Yes,
that you are supposed to do
exactly.
something.
अगर बाहर जाके कॉलेज में जाके फैमिली में ये प्रॉब्लम होती है then तो you have
Very
no
true.
one to
No
complain
one.
about it.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. Okay. So let's know something more about your organization, please.
Yes, ma'am. So we are 7 best friends who are best friends.
The
Yes,
7
ma'am.
besties. 7
Yes,
besties
ma'am.
started with this organization.
Yes, ma'am. We actually started
Who
this
suggested this
organization.
name, Shakti Shiksha?
It was me, and
Half
it was
names.
actually everyone. So, like, firstly, the name was Shiksha Shakti or something else, Project
But
Baby or
you
something.
thought of like taking the education as
Yes,
the main
education.
component.
Yes,
as the
ma'am.
main. I'm happy that these girls are because education is very important for it plays a pivotal role for our
Yes, ma'am.
development, for our progress and the change if we require in a society. Education matters.
Yes, ma'am. We actually cover all the aspects and all the perspectives of education.
So collectively, you thought Shakti Shiksha.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
The education that empowers.
Education that empowers.
Yes.
Okay. So then your rest of the team members all are from your same
Yes,
campus?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. They all are from 11th, but
Spindles.
now we have expanded our organization in just a short span of 1 or 2 months. So we
Right.
are now a team of 41 members.
41 members.
Yes, ma'am. We
Volunteers.
have volunteers from
41 volunteers, starting
yes,
from
ma'am.
7 members, and you have got the 41 volunteers.
Yes, ma'am.
I congratulate you for
Thank
this.
you so
This
much,
is something
ma'am.
really, it's a positive development. Development is always positive, but this is something that more youth will be involved,
Yes,
more
ma'am.
progress, and the positive change we can expect in society.
Yes, ma'am. Surely.
Okay. So I am eager to know more about.
Yes, ma'am.
I was shocked to see कि लोग इतने ज़्यादा empowered, इतने ज़्यादा courage कर रहे हैं हमें, और they are like so much empowering
And
us
your parents
and
were okay?
themselves.
Your parents were not of that concern कि पढ़ाई खराब हो जाएगी.
No, they were not.
It's like because of your board classes
No,
and
no.
it's
No, they were
So
not.
they were
We
okay?
actually managed our studies. We pulled off all-nighters and then we managed. I tell you, ma'am, you might be knowing about the Vibe exhibition.
Yes, Vibe exhibition is
Yes.
something very, very it holds a brand in our Amritsar town that these youngsters, they put up with the Vibe exhibition. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. So we actually, we oozed out our blood, sweat, and tears, and we prepared it for 2 months.
Okay.
So like Vibe was a second venture. It was actually a fundraising campaign. Yes, ma'am,
okay.
which was very successful.
I agree.
And we are surely going to disclose that what are we actually going to do with that
So
fundraise.
I'm happy that it's not that something they are doing is like in the air kabhi ye nahi, but everything is so systematized.
Yes,
That is really appreciable. I'm
Yes,
really happy.
ma'am.
The way she said we will be disclosing soon, it's like
Yes,
someone's,
ma'am.
the nice company CEO is talking, very soon, their brand will disclose the plans. So I'm happy in,
Yes,
listening
ma'am.
to it.
So actually it was like कि जैसे we are in a meeting and कल हमारा paper है. So we manage our half midterms, our half yearly exams with all the preparation of our Vibe thing.
I hope you won't mind if I ask you, because the viewers will also, because you talked about education. If I
Yes,
ask you how
ma'am.
much you scored, what was can you just share?
Yes, I scored 97% in my 10th
Oh my
boards.
God, guys, now don't stop your kiddos for doing the social work. She did the social work and she scored 97%.
97%.
97% in 10th board. Congratulations to
Thank
you,
you so
and I
much,
really
ma'am.
congratulate and thumbs
Thank
up
you
to
so
your
much.
hard work.
Thank you so much.
That's so nice that you are managing both the things.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you're talking about school, any favorite subject of yours?
I like maths.
You like maths?
Mathematics.
You
My
can
favorite
see-
subject.
You can surely judge. Today's Gupshup is with the very, very intellectual students. They like the maths. They scored the 97%. So this is something really nice.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope that this Gupshup will motivate many students, and as well as the parents, when they will listen to it, they will see to it, they will realize that your social activities or social service is not an hindrance
Yes, ma'am.
in your education, because
Yes.
the epitome or the very fine examples are here. Okay, please proceed further.
Yes, ma'am. So we actually had to manage our entire study routines, our midterms, our 11th midterms, and we all had to. It was like कि रात को we are actually making our friends study कि कल economics का paper है ऐसे आ दो, उसके बाद हम ये करेंगे, ये chapter रहता है, and we all managing and we all are
So
managing
it's
that
like
all.
you were studying whole night.
Yes, ma'am.
दिन
Starting
में
whole
meetings
night.
and
अच्छा,
रात
दिन
को
में
रात
आप
में
अपना social
पढ़ाई।
work करते हो,
Yes, ma'am.
रात में आप पढ़ते हो, सोते कब और कितने hours के लिए सोते हो? Honestly.
I tell you, जब Vibe के 2 days थे, so we actually spent more than 12 hours on that, on the venue, HK
Preparations
52.
and all that, right?
Yes, so more than 12 hours we were on our toes, and कल ऐसे exam था tuition में, and we all were like, क्या करना है? It was really chaotic for us, but yes, we managed that very well.
Okay.
Yes, so for that day we kind of I slept for like 3 hours because I was actually calling her and all my mates कि कल कैसे करना है, कल क्या करना है, and it was so stressful कि अब कैसे करना है, because at the end we are also high schoolers and we were actually starters.
stressed भी और excitement भी
Excitement.
उतनी थी,
I
इतना
can see the
stress था.
excitement on their faces. They are still excited, while they are narrating the story. And I'm so happy that
Yes,
I'm, diving deep into your thought process, and I'm getting that what exactly you people are planning to do in future also.
Yes,
If I say कि what do you think कि once, अच्छा, अगर हम आपके करियर के बारे में बात करें, so
Yes,
what do you
ma'am.
expect कि from yourself, what stream, what is the sort of the designation that you prefix you would like to have in
Yes,
before your
ma'am.
name?
So NGO work though I'm having it and we
Right.
have certain plans for it, but as per educational degree I am planning for CA or maybe luxury business. I am
Okay.
getting in that field and I'm
Okay.
really put
And here in
attention
Amritsar?
on it. Yes, in here in Amritsar. Yes, ma'am.
Not going abroad.
No, I'm not. going abroad.
Otherwise, it's something that everyone is going abroad for their studies, and the settlement. So I'm happy. So at least I got one person said,
Yes,
I'm not
ma'am.
going abroad.
I mean, जो बच्चे जा रहे हैं, they have their own reasons. Like उधर they're having luxury and more top colleges. But I really feel कि you should stay in India and अगर अपने देश को अच्छे से जानो, फिर उसके बाद
So
I
you
think
feel that
should go.
India,
Yes.
our country, has got certain better opportunities
Yes.
for the youngsters
Yes,
to
exactly.
make their future?
Yes, exactly.
This is the first person I got it. Otherwise it was everyone is. I don't say it's a rat race, but it's the mind set up. They feel
Yes,
we need to go
ma'am.
abroad because if we need to get our children with the good degrees, some better
Yes,
future,
ma'am.
so abroad is the only option.
Yes,
But you
ma'am.
don't believe so. And yes, ma'am, आप भी यहाँ पर हो कि आप
नहीं,
उड़ने
मैं
वाले
भी
हो?
यहीं पे हूँ.
Okay. चलो यहाँ पर रह के अपने उड़ान
यस
ढूंढो।
मैम,
I
फर्स्टली आई फील कि अपने देश को अच्छे से जानो, अपने देश में पहले करो, फिर बात के बाहर देखेंगे.
Okay, that's nice. So this is one thing. Now, if I ask that, what change you expect that the present generation should pursue? Any change?
Change is that everyone thinks that there are better opportunities outside the country.
And that's
but
what we have rightly discussed here.
we are the one who make this country better. अगर हम ही बाहर चले जाएंगे, इस कंट्री को कौन बेटर बनाएगा? We
ये
have
sort
that
of जो
opportunity.
ये जो ना वो कहते हैं कि change वाले thought process वाले बंदे मुझे पहली बार मिले हैं यार. At the of this age, you know, very true. Okay, so you feel कि you can bring the change.
Yes.
Yes,
बदलाव आएगा.
Surely.
Yes.
Okay.
काफ़ी कुछ किया है हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने भी, हमने भी किया है, बट आई थिंक मच इज़ लेफ्ट टू बी डन.
Much is left to be done.
Yes.
If we talk about education system, we have our recaps, we have our tests, we have our exams. The same scenario may not be at abroad.
Yes ma'am.
So what do you have to say for this?
Ma'am, I think कि you know we
Exams.
should not, exams are everywhere and it's all the same. ठीक है,
Life is
बाहर
all
जा-
about exams.
It's about exams, but the thing is कि each and every student is tested on the same parameters.
Yes.
जबकि हर एक स्टूडेंट्स की अपनी
Exactly.
खूबियाँ होती हैं, and the others like कि आप 2 2s are 4 बताओ, ठीक है. अब अगला बंदा इंग्लिश में अच्छा है और आप उसे बोल रहे हो कि आप फेल हो, आप कुछ कर नहीं पाओगे. And
Right.
that's completely
So
devoid of
there is,
logical
this is the
consistency.
point where our education system lacks.
Yes, ma'am, it does. And
Right,
there's an
because-
alarming need to bring a change.
Yeah, because I feel even a child may not be good in mathematics, but can surely be a good
Yes, exactly.
in music, maybe a good poet. You never know.
Yes, ma'am.
So, but it's such a rat race is going on to score well, to study, make the notes, make the files, score well, score well. So it's like something. So even
Yes,
you
ma'am.
face this pressure or not?
Yes.
We do face
I
this.
was, मतलब मैं छोटे होते से एक एवरेज स्टूडेंट ही थी. I will not lie.
Right.
But 80%,
She's so sweet.
80,
Now. I love her smile. Okay.
80% वगैरह वाली थी.
80% क्या एवरेज होता है मुझे पता नहीं था. मेरे को लगा 80% वाला मेरिट में होता है. मैंने तो ये सोचा था अगर मेरे 80% आए तो
आजकल कंपटीशन इतना है.
बहुत
98, 100 वाले
Yes,
हैं.
because when I was student in my school time, it was something as I mentioned कि 87%, 88%, good, you've done very well. But these days when you say the percentage goes to 98%, I wonder कि क्या लिख दिया उन्होंने पेपर में? Okay.
पहले आई यूज टू फील कि कहीं ना कहीं मैं लैग करती हूँ किसी ना किसी चीज़ पे. कोई चीज़ें मेरे को नहीं समझ आती या फिर
Right.
आई एम IQ थोड़ा लो है. बट धीरे धीरे मैंने समझना शुरू किया कि एवरी पर्सन इज़ नॉट गुड एट स्टडीज़. Maybe I'm good at singing. Maybe I'm good at
You do
this
sing?
NGO work.
You sing?
Yes, I do.
We can listen to song. That's nice. That's nice. Okay. So I agree. This was your thought, but this is something a very mature thought process that she adopted. Otherwise, students of your age, they automatically they feel the pressure, peer pressure, parents'
Yes, ma'am.
pressure. कि देखो उसके इतने मार्क्स आ गए, तुम्हारे क्यों नहीं आए?
Exactly, ma'am.
My parents also supported me for this. No.
Yes, ma'am. Touchwood, हमारे NGO में सबके parents they support.
So I
The
salute
children.
to all the parents of these, groups, all these students, because that's your positive approach towards their work that they are sitting here for an podcast. For a podcast, for an interview, they are here because yes, you have been supporting them.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
गाना सुन लेते हैं चलें जी आपसे. Please sing something.
सजेस्ट करो आप लोग कौन सा गाना गाओ.
She can suggest better. As you said that you can sing, it would be really nice. Let my audience also
क्या
listen
गाएं?
to you. कुछ भी of your choice.
Actually, she also sings.
चलो फिर दोनों इकट्ठे हो जाओ. Come on, let's not waste time.
Okay, so that's a very nostalgic song that we actually sing on our each and every car drive.
We were
अच्छा.
we were in the same class. मतलब till 10th we
Right
are
from which
together.
class you are the classmates? Right from which
Kinder
class?
care.
Kinder care or pre-nursery.
Kindergarten.
Yes.
Pre-nursery से. Oh my God. That's why it's, you know, it goes so well while talking to them because the bonding and the thought process is somewhat on the same lines.
Yes मैम, उधर हमारे सातों के साथ बंदों का एकदम सेम थॉट प्रोसेस है,
Same
like
class सारे।
सबकी सेम विजन है।
सातों के साथ वाली स्टोरी है, आपको हम पिक्चर्स में इनकी टीम को भी दिखाएंगे।
Yes मैम।
The smart 7 people. Okay, please proceed with this song.
Okay.
So इसकी बैक स्टोरी भी है। एवरी टाइम एनी टीचर, मतलब सिंगिंग वाले टीचर या किसी भी परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स वगैरह वाले टीचर कहते थे कि गाना गाओ, दिस वाज द ओनली सॉन्ग शी यूज्ड टू सिंग एट दैट टाइम।
Yes, since 4th grade actually.
Right from the 4th grade.
Yes ma'am. Actually I sang this in my talent hunt in my old school. And
Okay,
I won.
please proceed.
Okay, let's sing.
3 2 1 go।
मेरी रूह का परिंदा फड़फड़ाए,
I love this.
लेकिन सुकून का जजीरा मिल ना पाए, वे की करा एक बार को तसल्ली तो दिला दे, झूठी सही मगर तसल्ली तो दिला दे, वे की करा रांझण दे यार बुलिया, सुन ले पुकार बुलिया, तू ही तो यार बुलिया, मुर्शिद मेरा तेरा मुकाम कमले, सरहद के पार बुलिया, परवरदिगार बुलिया, हाफिज तेरा मुर्शिद मेरा।
Wonderful. It was like so melodious.
Thank
And
you so much,
it was like I want to hear more from you. So it was amazing.
Thank you so
Amazing,
much, ma'am. Such
amazing.
an honor.
Chalo. I am honored that I've got so much talented girls today on my set of Gupshup. Okay, if we talk about something food, what sort of food you like? Cooking आती है थोड़ी बहुत ही?
थोड़ी बहुत ही। I'm just into coffees.
You like?
I'm actually a very health conscious person. Plus, I'm a coffee lover.
So you're
so
a
I
coffee
actually
lover.
yes. So I actually experiment in the kitchen. Of course, मम्मा डांटते हैं मेरे को क्या गन मचा के रखा हुआ है.
Okay.
But still, I actually make weird kind of coffees like almond milk coffee, cashew milk coffee.
Acha, it's a
Yes.
weird kind of coffees. You know,
Yes.
we are getting the very different recipes for the coffee.
Yes, actually.
That's nice.
So yes, मेरे को basics नहीं आते, but still मैं ऐसा खाना बनाती हूँ जो कि सिर्फ मेरे को पसंद आता है और किसी को नहीं.
That's the best thing.
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
when you need to eat something, you are
Yes.
there to, you know, at
Yes,
least do
ma'am.
something. हाँ जी मैम.
मैं आई एम नॉट इनटू कुकिंग। जब मेरा मन करता है तो मैं बहुत अच्छा बनाती हूँ, जब मेरा मन नहीं होता
अभी
तो
आप
मैं
दोनों
बनाती
बहुत
नहीं हूँ।
छोटे हो
Yes,
as the
ma'am.
age में आपको you are not supposed to get into cooking right now. मगर मेरा question था कि because it's like going into the kitchen is something a phobia for the girls at present
No,
times.
it's not. I
Right?
think कि-
So it's like they are very reluctant to go to the kitchen. They always look for the house help if someone can
Yes,
come and serve, if the parents are not around. So my purpose of the question was यहाँ गपशप में इस मुद्दे को बात करने की यही था कि what is your aspects, what is your perception for this?
I think कि ये किचन का खाना बनाना भी is it's just so stereotyped कि सिर्फ women is supposed to do it, but I think cooking is a
Right.
very basic skill.
That everyone should know.
Yes, even boys and even girl. अगर एक लड़की को खाना बनाना नहीं आ रहा तो still it's wrong. और अगर एक लड़के को नहीं बना रहा तो it's equally wrong.
Equally wrong.
Yes.
तो ये लाइन अच्छी है कि अगर लड़की को खाना नहीं बना रहा आ रहा है तो it is wrong. अगर लड़के को नहीं आ रहा तो it is equally wrong.
Yes, exactly. Because you have to, family तो एक ही है. So you have to also serve your family. And आपका equally role बनता है कि आप अपनी family को serve करो जैसे
Right.
आपकी wife
So
आपकी बहन
boys,
कर रही है.
these are the young girls of today. आप अपना देख लो, कुछ गुजारा कर लो कि आपको थोड़ी बहुत कुकिंग आनी चाहिए
Yes,
at
ma'am.
least. Right. So let's wind up our today's session. It was wonderful to have you young girls over here. Any message that you would like to share on the set of Gupshup?
आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर कि जितनी हो सके सोसाइटी की हेल्प करो।
Yes.
we got the resources, we got the force
Yes.
to push ourselves,
Yes.
but
Right.
the ones who did not get that,
Ones who are deprived of all these facilities.
Yes,
So let's come
exactly.
forward and work for them.
Yes,
I'm so happy being young. They are so positive in their work.
Yes,
Kripa,
and
you want to say
ma'am,
something?
one should always work on skill enhancement rather than ratification. And
Yes.
you should not cry over marks. I mean, it's just a mere thing.
So, marks
याद
वाला फंडा नहीं है
रहेगा।
आजकल।
अगर मेरे 97% आए मैं खुल के बताना चाहूँगी, मेरे को कोई काम नहीं आ रहा है अभी मेरी लाइफ में. इट्स जस्ट लाइक इट्स एन अचीवमेंट कि हाँ मैंने मेहनत की
97,
और मेरे
but it's a big score.
97%
It's a
आए.
big
बट
score.
स्टिल जो मैंने हार्ड वर्क इतना किया था 10th में, ओनली दैट्स हेल्पिंग मी राइट नाउ, नॉट माई मार्क्स.
Yes, because once you work hard, it becomes the part of your personality,
Yes,
part of
exactly.
your life, and it always pays you in your coming times.
Yes, ma'am.
So it was wonderful to have them, and this talk show was really nice. I loved they're so with the positive vibes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
thank you so much for coming here.
Thank you so much.
And best of luck for the Shakti Shiksha.
Thank
and I
you
love
so
the
much,
name
ma'am.
Shakti Shiksha. Shiksha
Yes.
jisme Shakti ho, and that can come for the change.
Education that empowers.
Education that empowers. Thank you. It was wonderful to have you here.
Thank you.